cat. Yung cow. Duck. Yung pig. Yung bird. Yung dog. Dragon. Paano yung dragon? Wow. Eh, yung elephant. Yung horse. Yung Nick-Nick. Paano daw si Nick-Nick? Paano daw pakit si Nick-Nick? Yung wink-wink. Paano yung sabi ng duck? Paano ulit yung duck? Ay, yung monkey. Ha. Monkey. Imora. O, babay ka na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka dito, Nick. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na daw sa kanila. Say bye-bye daw. Dito?